Hi everyone, let's try this again. There was a glitch on the last recording, so we'll start anew. This is New York Times Medium, Friday, October 6th. Okay, this 7 and this 7 force a 7 in one of these two cells, but it can't go here. So that is a 7, it's forced. That'll force one of these two to be a 7. Okay, this 2 and this 2 is going to force that one to be a 2. This 2 and this 2 forces one of these to be a 2. What's next? Those two ones force one of these two to be a 1. Those two 5s are interestingly enough going to force one of these to be a 5, but it can't be here, so that's a 5. And therefore that's a 1. Well, that was easy. So these are 3, 4, 8. Rather 3, 4, 6, and 8. No, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 8, 9. These can't be 3, so these are 4, 9. Along with an 8. Now this one can't be 8, but still could be 3, 4, or 9. This one, I believe, can be any of 3, 4, 8, 9. Okay, this one and this one force one of these two, but not this one, so that one is a 1. These ones force it down here someplace. Those two actually give away that one's a 2. So that's not 2, and that one is. Okay, row 6, I'm only missing 3 digits? 4, 6, 9? That can't be 6, it's 4 or 9. That could be anything. Like that. No, that's 4 or 6. It can't be 9. Well, fiddlesticks, I knew. I wish I knew what that was. Okay. 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. I need 1, 4, 6, and 9 for the rest of box 4. But these aren't 6. Or 1. So 4, 9 pair, looking at that, which turns into a 6. That turns into a 1. That's going to make my job a lot easier when it comes to these middle rows. This 6 and this 6 force a 6 somewhere around here. And this one, and that one combine to force that cell to be a 1. How many 1s do I have? I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that 1 means that's a 1, and that's my ninth and last 1. Okay, I got all 9 1s. I feel a lot better about this now. Okay, I need 4, 8, 9, along with a 6 in column 1. These haven't had anything eliminated yet. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. So these are 3, 4, 5, and 9 in some order. For column 2, that's, whoops, not 8, 9. Those could be anything. That's not 4. Okay, that's not helpful. But 4, 9 up here says this is not 4 or 9. That's down to 3 or 8. which tells me that's 3 or 8 explicitly. Seven in one of these, 3, not 4. But I have all my 1s, I have all my 5s. It for the top rows, I think. Okay, what else can I fill in easily? Oh, this 6 means that's a 4, which tells me that's a 9. Those 9s in turn tell me that's a 9, and I don't know why I put down that there was a 9 there. That could never have been 9 because it was given to me. Come on, Colin, think. Anyway, box 5 needs 4, 5, 7, and 8. None of these are 5. These are 4, 7, and 8, but that's not 8. 4, 5, 7, 8. Well, that sees 4, 5, and 8. That is 7. So 4, 5, 8. Well, that can't be 4 or 8. That's actually a 5. And therefore, that's a 3, right? The only thing that fits in row 4. So that's the other half of 4 or 8. So these are 5, 6, and 7. Some order, but that's not 7. And that's not 7, so that one is. See, these 2s will force one of these 2 to be a 2. Let's see. In column 4, I've got 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. I need 4, 6, and 8. Okay, that can no longer be a 7. Well, that can't be 6 either. So that's 4 or 8, which tells me that one's a 6. I've got a lot of 4 8s intersecting in the middle of the grid. I wonder if that means something. Okay, I've got all the odd digits in row 3, so I need the even digits in 3 to fill out that row. This is not 2. This isn't 3 or 6. That's not 3 or 4 or 8. That's not 2 or 4. That's not 2. Okay, that proved to be useless. Let's see. 6 over here means that's not 6. So these aren't 6, and these aren't 6, and these aren't 6. I know where 6 goes in box 7. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 6, and 7. I need 3, 4, 5, 8, and 9 for the rest of row 7. That one still only gets rid of 8. This one gets rid of 3. None of these are 4. That one also gets rid of 3 or 8. This one doesn't get rid of a thing. That one gets rid of 5 or 9. Let's see, well, that's not 8. Oh, well, that could still be 8. Darn. 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. In column 9, I need 3, 4, 6, and 8. This could still be 3, 4, 6, or 8. I haven't eliminated anything from there yet. That one's down to 6 or 8. I got 4 here. Well, that doesn't tell me what I don't already know. Two, six, seven, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Somewhere in this row. No, that's not 3. That's not 5 or 9. Whoops. Or 3. Let's see, these can't be. This one can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 or 6 or 9. It's 7 or 8. This one can't be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 6. There'll be a lot of different things. Let's see, 3 in the box must be here. Three's either here or here, but I don't know which one yet. Okay, this cell sees 1, 2, 5, 6, 9. This one sees 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. This one sees 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. That cell cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4, or 7. Only 2 cells left to fill in. This one can't be 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, or 8. This one is not 1, 2, 5, 7, or 9. Let's see, well, okay, I don't know why I put in a 9 there. But this can't be 2, and these can't be 2, and this can't be 2. So that is a 2. It's forced. Okay, now that does a lot, because that's a 6, that's a 2 by my markings. Okay, 6 is going to take these cells out of the equation, because I know where 5 and 6 go. There. 5 is going to tell me that's a 9. Tells me that is not 9, and that is not 9. Okay, these aren't 6. And neither is that. And neither is that. Okay, so these aren't 9. And these aren't 9. Guess what? That's forced to be a 9. Okay, so this is not 9 way over here. So that's a 4-8 pair looking at this. That turns into a 7. That's forced to be a 3. Neither of these are 3. This turns into a de facto 4-8 pair. This now can't be 4 or 8 or 3. That's a 6. Four, 8, looking down here, that's 7. It could still be 3, 4, or 8, and so could that. See, this 9 tells me that's not 9. And that's not 9. Oh, that's not 6. So these aren't 6. These aren't 6. That is 6. Did absolutely no. Oh, well, wait a minute. Why did I have a 3 there? Silly me. Okay, what's left? No 5s anywhere down here, do I? Should be able to see it from here. 3, 5, or 8. These are 3, 4, or 8. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 9. Oh, 3, 8, but everything else in column 3 is filled out. Those are 8, but I can't prove that that's not 8. At least not yet. Third. Wait a minute. I said one of these were an 8, right? So theoretically, by my markings, that can't be 8. That must be 4. So we're going to make an argument. That's an 8. That's a 4. That's an 8. 3. What does that do me with? Not much. That's not 3. Not 3. Oh, 8. Tell me that's not 8. 4, 9 down here. And up there, but no, that's a 4, 9, so that's an 8. That's a 3. That's a 4. You tell me that's a 3. That one is not a 3. Not a 3. 4, 5, 8, or 7. I still don't know yet. 5, 8, 9, or 9. I don't know yet either. But the 3 does point down here. 4 tells me that's a 9. That has to be a 5. That has to be a 4. There's my 3. 5 piggybacks over here. 8, 5. Has to be an 8. It can't be anything else. That's a 4. That's an 8. That does work. Hallelujah. And voila, says the wife.